Hello, warfighters. What you're feasting your eyes upon now is roughly $60. That's correct. Roughly $60 as of June 2024 on multiple surplus websites of ACU gear that I have then Rit dyed and spray painted. You're looking about $30 for this fighting load carrier and all the pouches on it, and about $30 for this assault pack and all the pouches on it. So whether you are a poor that is looking to get outfitted, excuse me everybody, goodness. Whether you're a poor looking to get outfitted on the cheap, or whether you are a rich looking to outfit possible come-or-buys with cheap gear that you're not going to cry about never seeing again, I think purchasing ACU surplus is an excellent way to do it. You're going to get 1,000 quart denier or better stuff. You're going to get KYZ zippers. You're going to get military grade buckles. So, at next to nothing. So, how do I Rit dye this, and what do I Rit dye it with? First of all, if you read the back of the Rit dye, it's going to say use as much boiling or as hot a water as you can. It's going to say if you use such and such fabric to have dish soap. It's going to say if you have such and such fabric to use salt. It's going to say if you have such and such fabric to use vinegar. As the grunt that I am, I don't have time to figure all that out. So what I do is I use all three. Salt, vinegar, and dish soap. I put that in a big 40-gallon tub, and I add as much boiling water as I can and one package of Rit dye, and I mix that up, and I let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then I drain all that out, and I rinse this on the exterior hose, get as much of the dye off it as I can until the water runs clean. Then I throw that in my washer machine on a quick rinse and spin. Then I let it air dry, and I hit it with spray paint. These are the three colors I use. We have the green, the foliage green, dark foliage green, the dark earth brown, and the sand. All right, primarily you're gonna use the sand and the green together, but tossing some brown in is always great. Take some old gauze or some old burlap sandbag, and I use it similar how a lot of people use a laundry bag, but I like this square pattern better personally. And when we're all said and done, we get this. Okay? So this is the Rit dark green. This is the Rit dark brown. And this is the Rit apple green without spray paint. Spray paint on the opposite side of these canteen pouches, but on this side has been unspray painted. We can see that in conjunction with multicam. We can see that in conjunction with Woodland Marpat. And we can see that in conjunction with Desert Marpat. All right, everybody, get you some cheap ACU gear, get to Rit dyeing, get to spray painting. We will be dyeing 1, 2, 3 bandoliers, 2 fighting load carriers, 4 canteen pouches, 2 waist packs, and the 3-day assault pack. All right, step 1, boil up as much water as you can. Get you out your big old pots, get you some hot water. Next, we are going to add vinegar, salt, and dish soap. A healthy amount of each. In no specific amounts, because I ain't got time to measure. Here we go. We are using Rit dark green today. I've used apple green and dark brown. Pretty good effect. So shake this bad boy up. Open her if we can. She's already coming open. Look at that. Beautiful. Dump it right in. Doing it live, folks. You get to see all the beautiful mistakes I make. Alrighty, I'm gonna clean up all this litter and be right back with you. Okay, so this has been sitting all mixed together, all stirred up in here for about an hour. And we are just going to dump this out and rinse these out a couple times. Try to get as much of this dye out as we can, and we will be right back with you. So there it is now, right after being dyed and rinsed, still wet. What I'm gonna do next is take it on in and run it through a quick rinse and spin on the washer machine. And then right after that, I'm gonna do a load of rags on the same cycle or on a quick wash cycle to help mop up any dye that might left behind. Although I've never had a problem with that. I've never had any dye on the washing machine. I've never had any dye on my laundry after I've done that. So here we are. The dye's all dry. We've been washed one time. Getting ready to paint it up a little bit. So as you can see, already a lot better than it would have been with that ACU. But we will get some paint on it and continue to improve it. Okay, we're using Rustolium camouflage spray paint and an old burlap sack. Put some tan on them. Moving on to a darker green color. You really don't have to be precise. Worry about it too much. Just got to get it on there.